Is this the ultimate smartwatch? It's Huawei's boldest claim yet, and after weeks of testing, I'm ready to tell you if the Huawei Watch Ultimate 2 lives up to the name. Welcome back to the channel, and in this video, we're diving deep into Huawei's luxury adventure watch. We'll cover the jaw-dropping new materials, the world-first features, and whether it's worth the premium price tag. Let's get into it. The Watch Ultimate is Huawei's flagship smartwatch. The second-generation model is designed to be even more premium and offer additional features. With the first Watch Ultimate, we were disappointed by the weak GNSS performance, especially considering its advertised expedition mode. The Watch Ultimate 2 is intended to deliver better navigation thanks to a new antenna. It also includes eSIM support. Huawei highlights a new golf mode and diving capability down to 150 meters. With built-in sonar, the Watch Ultimate 2 can even communicate underwater. The Huawei smartwatch is compatible with both iOS and Android. The watch uses a zirconium alloy case, which is claimed to be extremely durable. This is paired with a ceramic bezel and sapphire crystal. The bezel is non-rotating and sits flush with the glass. On the silver model, the bezel features a two-tone design. On the right side, you'll find a rotating and pressable crown, a button, a speaker, and Huawei's X-Tap sensor. The left side houses another button and a depth sensor. The 22mm band can be swapped out without tools. The sport band is made of fluoroelastomer and comes in two sizes. The titanium link bracelet can be adjusted tool-free by removing links. Build quality is excellent. All buttons feel solid with a clean click, and we encountered no scratches during the test period. The Watch Ultimate 2 weighs 126.8 grams with the link bracelet and 82 grams without. Despite the weight, the watch is comfortable to wear. The Watch Ultimate 2's case is made from a zirconium-based liquid metal alloy for durability. The display is a 1.5-inch LTPO 2.0 AMOLED panel with a 466 by 466 resolution and 3500 nits of peak brightness, protected by sapphire glass. The Watch Ultimate 2 is the first Huawei smartwatch rated for diving up to 150 meters. It has a waterproof structure that allows for audio features and sonar-based messaging up to 30 meters underwater. Users can add up to 50 diving partners, test messages above water, and choose from dive modes like recreational, technical, scuba, and freedive. It displays key dive data such as depth, time, speed, NDL, and PO2, with all information saved in the Huawei Health app. The watch features the X-Tap multi-sensing control between two crowns for quick access to heartbeat, ECG, and other health data. It supports eSIM calling with AI noise cancellation and stable signals. Expedition mode lets users import routes and download offline maps, supported by the Sunflower positioning system. Battery life lasts up to 11 days with light use, 6 days in typical use, and 4 days with always-on display. In standard mode, it runs for 4.5 days on Android and 3.5 days on iOS. Other functions include fall detection, action camera control, golf tracking, zoomable course maps, ball trajectory sharing, payments, smart gestures, and app gallery support. So who is this watch for? The Watch Ultimate 2 is a statement piece with a price tag to match, launching around €8.99 for the base model. If you are a serious diver, hiker, or mountaineer who values cutting-edge, world-first technology like sonar comms and dual-band GPS in a rugged, luxurious package, this is arguably the most advanced adventure smartwatch available right now. Let me know in the comments. Is the underwater communication a game-changer or just a gimmick? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.